What is going on, guys? Pruning your pepper plants has always been a very hot topic in gardening, and today we're going to go over on if it's worth it or not. And there's going to be 4 key points. The first one is going to be the logic behind pruning your peppers. The second point is, when do people prune their peppers? The third is, how do people prune their peppers? And the fourth one is going to be the final conclusion on if it's worth it or not. So let's start with the first one, the theory behind why people prune their peppers. So when looking at the pepper plant, we have something called a leader, which is the highest stem. So the thought process to topping up your pepper plant is that by taking away the leader, you're going to force the plant to redirect its energy to create new leaders, and therefore making your pepper plant less tall but more bushy. It's going to grow outwards and create more leaders. And with more leaders, you're going to think that it's going to produce more flowers, and more flowers means more fruit, right? So that's the first point, the theory behind topping your pepper plants. And for point number 2 of when you should prune your pepper plants, it's always going to be highly advised to prune them early in the spring, That way you do have that longer growing season for it to recover itself, produce those new leaders, so that way it does produce more fruits. And for point number 3 of how you can prune your pepper plants, never just use your fingers to break it off. I highly recommend getting yourself a sharp scissor. That way you can get yourself a clean cut, rather than getting a knife or using your bare hands. As for where you should prune, never prune too deep. You want to leave about 4 to 5 leaves at the bottom, so that way it still can produce more energy to regrow those new leaders. So about 4 to 5 leaves up, about right here. So you will cut off right there if I were to prune them, and it should theoretically produce new leaders off the side. And that's how you would prune your pepper plants. And now for point number 4, the most important part is it worth it to prune your pepper plants? Now there's multiple answers to this question. The first one is, what kind of variety of pepper plants are you growing? If you're growing a smaller variety type of pepper, topping it off and letting it become a bushy style, it's going to produce a lot more fruits, which is okay, for the smaller pepper plants. But if you are going to grow the bigger varieties, like a bell pepper, it does need that space to grow. And a lot of times, since those fruits are so big, it can only handle so much fruits at a time. So if you are going to let it produce a lot of leaders and produce a lot of fruits, you're going to end up with a lot smaller size fruits. So the quality of the fruit is going to be diminished by a little bit if you are growing the bigger variety. So that's the first point right there on what type of variety you're growing. The second one that you're going to have to consider is your growing season. If you have a long growing season, topping it, it's okay, that way you do give it a lot of time for it to grow and heal and produce those leaders. But if you have a short growing season, you're gonna waste about a couple weeks to even a month for your pepper plants to recover and grow those new leaders. So sometimes it might not even be worth it, And in my personal experience of growing bell peppers the last year, I topped off a couple plants. They grew a little bit more fruits, but the fruits were a lot smaller than the ones where I didn't top. With the bell pepper, I do prefer the bigger size. So leaving it alone, I got an earlier harvest and a bigger fruit. So overall, you gotta weigh your options there. But one tip I highly recommend to helping your pepper plants grow a lot bigger and better is by picking up these early flowers. Let me show you what I mean. So with this pepper plant right here, it's still really small, but it's already producing flowers and trying to fruit. So it's take up a lot of energy from it to produce these flowers and fruit rather than growing bigger. So what you should do is that you should go ahead and pick off these little flowers, just like that. And that way, rather than the plant redirecting its energy to produce fruits already, it's going to continue to grow bigger and bigger. And that way you do have more space to flower even more and get a bigger yield. Now that is something that I can recommend rather than pruning your plant. It's just pruning the early flowers. At the end of the day, it doesn't really matter. I personally prefer not to prune my pepper plants. I'm going to just let it grow bigger and taller and produce those bigger fruits rather than getting more quantity. I'd rather have that quality. And it takes the stress out of gardening too. I don't want to sit there and nitpick every little detail of my plant and trying to get that maximum yield, where gardening just is supposed to be therapeutic for me and it's supposed to be stress-free. Hopefully you find this video useful, and remember guys, happy gardening.